Hello students, the topic is internet shutdowns. So on August 4th of 2019, mobile phone networks, internet services, landline connectivity were all shut down in Jammu and Kashmir region because of the revocation of Article 370. So here, upon this act of government, Anuradha basin, who was the editor of Kashmir Times, the Srinagar edition, argued that internet shutdowns and movement restrictions limited the ability of journalists to travel and to publish, and accordingly she has filed a case. She challenged in the court for the violation of Article 19, which guarantees the right to freedom of expression. So here, uh, based upon the case, the Supreme Court has given some judgments. So some guidelines are also being proposed in this case. So those guidelines are, the first one is, as per the temporary suspension of telecom services rules of 2017, on the grounds of public emergency, telecom services can be shut down temporarily only for up to 15 days, but not for a very long duration. The second point is, internet can be suspended under the suspension rules and it should satisfy the principle of proportionality. The principle of proportionality here means the administrative action should not be more drastic than it is ought to be for obtaining a desired result. So, internet shutdown must satisfy the principle of proportionality and must not extend beyond the necessary duration. And any order suspending the internet under the suspension rules is subject to judicial review. And internet suspension for a very long duration violates the freedom of speech and expression as well as freedom of trade and commerce under Article 19 clause 1 clause A and 19 clause 1 clause G. Thus, the Supreme Court ruled that any indefinite suspension of internet services would be illegal under the Indian law, and the orders for the internet shutdown must satisfy the test of necessity and proportionality. So, Supreme Court has issued a notice seeking the confirmation of the government with respect to its judgment in Anuradha Basin's case.